Hey guys, Ryan here. We're going to be talking about swing trade strategy. And this will be the first video, one of three. And it takes a process, and this will be the first one. So mainly it's going to be on Finviz.com. It's a free website. Here on the left is Finviz. Here on the right is just a Word doc with all the notes and things to note. And here are the lists that we'll eventually come up with at the end of this video. So Finviz.com, I'll include the link in the video below, but it's pretty simple. Finviz.com, this is the home page. So for swing trades, you want to focus on something that's trending up. You want a stock that is going to work in your favor as much as possible, and you want all the odds, as many odds in your favor than against your favor. So starting with a stock that is trending up, you're already starting in the right direction for risk versus gain in that scenario. So first what we're going to do is on Finviz.com, we're going to go down in the middle here and look at different signals. And Finviz does all the work for us, and we're going to look for channeling up. We want to find the trends and patterns in this channel and predict over time that it's going to be hitting up in the tops and bottoms of these channels, and we're going to be buying at the bottom and selling towards the top. So we'll take a look at the list. You just click on there, and as you can see, it's just a list of all the stocks that Finviz does a filter for that has a trending up and top and bottom. And here, this blue line is the part of the channel that is the bottom of the channel. This purple is the top of the channel. So mainly throughout the last several months, it's been maintaining inside this channel, and that's going to be the trend for this channel up in Finviz. So for a swing trade, we want to find something that is pretty consistent in this channel, and over time it's been hitting consistently tops and bottoms, and the more tops and bottom hits is the more reliable this stock is, and we're going to be able to trust this pattern is going to continue. So we're going to make a list of all these ones that are hitting multiple tops, multiple bottoms, and most importantly is currently hitting the bottom, because we want to buy it at the lowest price and ride profit up towards the top. So our first one is going to be RRBI. So we kind of go down our list here using Finviz. We're going to establish this possible stock to swing trade, and we're going to go to channel up. While we're going through the list, we're going to write down every ticker. Ticker here is upper left, RRBI. That stands for Red River Bank Shares, Inc. It's a bank company in U.S. And then also what we're going to do is look for multiple tops and bottoms. Minimum of 3 tops, 3 bottoms. So this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on its 5th bottom. Tops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops. This is well over 3 tops and 3 bottoms, so this is a great example. Stocks that are mostly staying within the channel. Okay, so these are all staying pretty fairly in. This one day in the middle of June, I had a weird spike, but besides that, it's all pretty much stayed within. Especially the last few months, it's stayed pretty solid in there. Next, stocks that are over $5. You don't really want to mess with anything too low. They tend to be a lot more volatile and a lot more risk. So this one's $43. This is a good start. Do not use any pharmaceutical stocks. Those are also very unpredictable and volatile. This here is a bank. It's a bit more easy to tell a trend and patterns, and it's not as risky as any pharmaceuticals. So we'll continue. RRBI is our first note. We're going to market here, RRBI. We're going to keep going, and we're just going to stroll through this whole list that Finviz is providing us. For example, TBK, the last point of time, it's in the middle of the channel. We don't want to take that risk to invest when it's in the middle of the channel. It just doesn't give us much gain spacing as it does risk. So it has about 50% chance of going up and down. So how would we submit a buy and sell order in there? We're going to keep going here, and importantly, we're going to want to look in the bottom right corner for that mark. SUM, here it's in the bottom right corner, but here in the last 3 months it has a separate channel going straight to the right. We don't really want to mess with that because it's not giving us a good sign that's going to hit the top of this channel. So we're going to skip over that one. Here we go, AHCO. It's hitting multiple bottoms, over 3 bottoms, at least 3 tops, and currently at the bottom right now at 2163. So this would be a good one to add. So we're going to add that to our list over here. AT, here at the bottom, multiple bottoms, multiple tops. It seems like a good pattern, good trend. Good idea to take a look at this one. Add that to the list. Alright, we'll go to the next page. Alright, next one, NVR, multiple bottoms, multiple tops, staying within the channel that is trending up. Current price is at the bottom of the channel, and the last day or so it's been going up, so it looks like it's a good time for a reversal. Today it went up 2.88%. So add that, NVR. That's a bit more expensive of a stock, but it still has quite a bit of gap to make profits if you're willing to invest at least $4,000. We'll continue. So we keep looking for that bottom corner. Okay, so ANTE, it's below the bottom corner. This could continue falling. It's kind of out of its trend line. Let's not mess with that one. BANF. Okay, this one's kind of sideways, but overall it's been hitting triple tops, triple bottoms, and it's currently at the bottom right now. So we'll note that, BANF. AROW, this is way out of the channel. We're not going to mess with that one. Okay, continue. Okay, VIRT, this is way above in the upper half. Not even worth looking at. CF, okay, multiple bottoms, multiple tops, trending up, and currently at the bottom of the channel, ready for a reversal. We're going to add that to the list, CF. Okay, continuing. RDCM, multiple bottoms, multiple tops, very vertical line towards trending up, and we're currently at the bottom of our trend. So add that to the list, RDCM. Okay, we're gonna get going here. We gotta look through through this whole list here, and we got 9 pages. Let's see, another one here. Road, multiple bottoms, multiple tops. Add that to the list. So you're going to start to get a better idea what to look for, just using these notes here on the right. But it's all pretty easy as long as you stick to the rules. UA, Under Armour, okay, inside the channel. It's not really so steep of a channel up, but it's pretty consistent. So we'll put that down. Okay, ROL, pretty vertical. It's pretty steep. Okay, it's right at the bottom. The last couple days been green. Today went up 1%. good time to jump in. Put that ROL. Put that on our list. We're making our list because we're going to put other criteria in later on to give us our best stock to invest in. That's why we want to, pick as much as we can out of this. This is kind of sideways through the last, pretty much year. This thing has been straight to the right. Maybe not the best stock to get into. Okay. SBR, okay. Bottom. Multiple bottoms, multiple tops. Sitting here ready for a reversal. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So we've made our list, as you can see over here. Next video that I'm going to be posting a link after this video. It's going to walk you through what we're going to do with all these. Now that we've made our list out of all 9 pages that Finviz has of channel up, and we're going to put it through a little bit more criteria. Reason we're going to do this is because we want a stock that is as stable as possible, and we want to have full trust, as much trust as we can with this stock, and we're just going to put it through price targeting. We're also going to put it through equity rating and a couple more chart verifications. So, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you thought this was helpful, give me a like. Thank you.